Here's something that might change how you think about user retention. We analyzed behavioral data from a real AI product, tracking exactly what happens when a new user's free credits run out. There's a concept called the aha moment, the specific instant when a user first thinks, okay, this actually works. Cross that line and users stick. Miss it and they're gone. The number we found, 97.6% of those users never come back. Not because the product failed them, because they ran out of time before they ever had the chance to realize it was worth paying for. The data showed us exactly where this product's aha moment lives. 20 conversations in the first week. Users who got there paid at 29 times the rate of users who didn't. The real question is, are we getting users to that moment before the credits run out? That's what we're going to figure out today. And I'll show you how to find your own number using Enter. In Enter, open a project and navigate to Analyze. Under the Overview tab, you'll find your live event stream and customer analysis, giving you a complete picture of your product data. Need to track a new event? Just tell Enter what you want to capture, and it'll add the instrumentation for you automatically. No engineering ticket, no waiting. This is a complete data analytics platform, built to give professional developers the data foundation they need to drive product decisions. And if you're not technical, you can simply ask Enter to summarize today's customer analysis and surface product improvement suggestions directly. It gives you clear, actionable recommendations you can act on.